It's time to explore one of my favorite Excel functions, SUMIFS. The SUMIFS function was first introduced in Excel 2007, and Microsoft puts it in the Math and Trig function category. It's officially known as a conditional summing function, but that description is too sterile and lacks passion. I prefer to put this function in the awesome category. A conditional summing function is like a sum function because it adds numbers, but it includes only certain cells or rows within the sum range. I like to think about conditional summing like this. Add up this column of numbers, but only include those rows where this column is equal to this value. So in the screenshot, it would be add up the amount column, only include those rows where the cust ID column is equal to our cust ID. This is the exact same logic that the SUMIFS function uses. The first argument is the column of numbers to add, the sum range. Next, the arguments come in pairs, the criteria range and the criteria value. Up to 127 pairs are supported. So add up this column, only include those rows where this is equal to this. Think you got it?
This video is a production of Excel University.